Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Dodge Journey SXT. This one's white. Underneath it is a 3.6 V6 with 283 horsepower and 260 pounds of torque. This one has the black top package with 19-inch black wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black accents on the front, side, and rear of the vehicle. Black interior. Rear climate controls. Third row seating. Dodge Journey badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down third row seats. Power windows. Steering wheel controls. Push start ignition. Rear view backup camera. Media display. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. This Dodge Journey has 43,499 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Dodge Journey, check out feldmanimports.com.